In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to prepare this potato, chicken and vegetable meal. This is so delicious. So here are the ingredients I'll be using. Potato already peeled, chicken washed, and also some spices, onions and some vegetables with salt. Let's go ahead. And this is my green seasoning, my forever green seasoning. If you want to know how to make this, I'm going to link it in the description box. So right in this pot, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil. You can use olive oil to make this, okay? So I'm adding in the chicken. I did not really sauce this chicken. I only added some salt. Yes, so that is what is in this chicken. So I'm going to fry it. While it's frying, I'm going to go back to the vegetables. Is already washed. I'm going to be cutting it into these little chunks. And I'm going to add it in a plate and then set it aside. So in this bowl, I have the potato already washed and peeled, and I'm going to go back to my chicken, flip the chicken around to the other side just to make sure it is well cooked, although I'm going to continue cooking this chicken with the potatoes together. So right now I'm just adding in the seasoning. So I have my reason of doing this because I don't want the chicken to start burning or sticking in the pot. So this is the right time for me to add those. Now I just added the green seasoning. This is going to infuse all the ingredients into the chicken while it is frying. Okay, this will really taste so good, guys. So now I'm adding in the dry spices, which is the dry pepper and some curry powder. So this curry powder will help it to taste differently. You can use fresh bonnet pepper to prepare this. So in the spices, in the green seasoning I added, it has so many herbs in there, and I'm going to be linking it just like I said earlier time. So now I've mixed it together just to make sure the ingredients marinate together with the chicken. So now is ready a bit. Okay, I don't want it to be overcooked, so I'm going to take it out from the pot and set it aside immediately. Guys, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like, share and comment to this video, and do not forget to put on your notification button so that you will always receive my post whenever I share my meal videos. So now I'm done removing the chicken from the pot. I'm going to set it aside. In the same pot, I'm going to be adding all the potatoes. Now I just added the potato. Okay, I cut it into these chunks. So if you want to cut it a bit more smaller or bigger, that is fine for you. So after mixing it, I have to cover and leave it there to marinate well with those sauce in the pot from the chicken. And now I'm mixing it all over again. So after mixing it, I'm going to go ahead to add the chicken. Okay, I'm going to return the chicken back into the pot, but before then I just added some onions. So here is onions. Okay, and I'm going to be adding some salt because now I just added the potato. It needs some salt to taste good. So after adding it, I will mix it together, stir it in very well just to make sure it is well combined. Then after that, I just added in some water because this potato needs water to cook in well. But do not add a lot of water. Just about 1 glass cup of water is enough to continue cooking unless you feel it's not sufficient to cook the potato. So after mixing it up, I just added the chicken. So here is the chicken I fried earlier in the pot, and this will enable the chicken to cook properly well. So I cover and let it continue cooking. So now I'm checking it out again. So I just have to remove the chicken out from the pot so that when mixing the potato it won't get scattered. Yes, so now I'm going to mix this potato, add the vegetables that I already cut, then mix it properly to marry themselves very, very well. So after all done mixing, I'm going to go back again to return the chicken back into the pot, because why I'm doing this is because I want those ingredients to continue to infuse into the chicken and from the chicken. So now it is set and ready. So let's serve our delicious potato and vegetable chicken. This smells so good. This kitchen smells divine. So I'm dishing it out in this beautiful bowl. So this is the chicken and vegetable potato. Guys, will you be trying it out? If you're going to be trying it out, drop in the comment section and do not forget to tag me once you do that. So guys, this is so good to have. You can serve it as lunch, dinner, even breakfast. Or what do you think, guys? Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.